Drive-thru and service windows are great for business, but the downsides of these windows, fluctuating interior temperatures, dust, and bugs, are significant. A quick, cost-effective way to address these downsides is an air curtain. Schwank Swift-5 series air curtain is designed specifically for these drive-thru and service windows and creates an invisible, protective barrier. They are compact, quiet, and super easy to install and operate. Without an air curtain, when it's cold outside, the internal temperature is constantly affected by cold air blowing inside. The air curtain maintains a constant internal temperature, even when the window is open, so employees stay comfortable, equipment is protected, and food stays warm. Similarly, when it's hot outside, the air curtain barrier maintains a comfortable internal environment by keeping out dust, insects, heat, and humidity. A Schwank air curtain eliminates the downsides of drive-thru and service windows and has a fast payback period while maximizing employee comfort. Learn more at schwankgroup.com.